guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new, you are welcome. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make these tasty pancakes. Okay, we'll add 1 egg. For here I will use 1.5 cup of flour. Okay, so I will use this ingredient: 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, also a pinch of salt. Then I will add 4 teaspoons of cooking oil. Okay, now you can mix everything well, because we need very smooth paste here. So you need to be patient here. Okay, mix everything good, and please just stay tuned. Follow this video till the end so that you can't miss any important part in this video. All right, we'll add 1 teaspoon of blue band, or you can add butter there. Okay, now let's add our milk. I will use 200 ml. It's about full cup of milk, but it's not full. Okay, so you add milk little, then the flour. I will use 1.5 cup of flour. So I will add little by little. I add the milk, I mix again. I will repeat this till my paste is very smooth. So now we will cover this and leave it for about 10 minutes. Yeah, then we will be back to cook. Okay, wow, this is about 10 minutes. It's very ready now to cook, so come along with me. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel and learn more. Let's cook. Right, make sure your heat is very low. Okay, we don't want to burn our pancakes here, so you will use any shape of your choice. For me, I prefer medium size. Okay, so you will wait. When you see some bubbles, like, you will fry 2 minutes each side. Okay, So if you see a such bubble like this, you can see this. Yeah, that means it's ready to be turned. Other side, yeah, you can see. So you will continue frying till it's really cooked. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my videos. Please let's meet in my next one. Okay, so if you find this video interesting, please just hit the subscription button. Don't forget to leave a comment. Yeah, I'll appreciate. See you in my next video. Please just continue watching this till the end. See you guys in my next video. Bye.